You want to see this burrito right here, man?
Hey, you guys, we're down here in Florida off of 192 at the food truck station, depot, whatever you want to call it. All these food trucks.
Show that burrito right there, bro.
And this is the place right here that we got this burrito from. Lift your burrito up.
Both of these, just one burrito. Cut in half, baby.
We got that burrito. And then we got this beautiful nacho. And it is so good.
Best burrito I ever had, y'all.
Best nacho too.
So when you mess with somebody for a burrito, this the guy you need to come and see.
So if y'all always down here in Florida, come to this food truck right here. Like I said, it's located on 192.
Or Earl Brown Center.
Yeah,
you can come to any of these food trucks. It's gonna be behind.
So we're gonna walk around and I'll show you guys what other type of food trucks
Go see where the ice cream drink.
that they have over here. They have this food truck. They have this food truck.
They have this food truck, this food truck.
Then they have a ice cream roll food truck. Then they also have a Mr. Pizza food truck. And they have this food truck right here that sells ice cream. They have this food truck. And they have this one. Have this food truck. And they have this food truck. So we'll see you guys later. Anything you need to say? Babe?
Kinder Bueno.
Babe, would you like to leave out a closing remark?
I'm gonna be fat in the mug.
You want to leave out a closing remark? You want to leave out a closing remark?
Yes. If you see any of these food trucks, it's gonna be right behind there. But any of these food trucks, you have to come here and try any of these food trucks. Any.
All right, you guys, that's it. We'll see you later. Bye.